So I'm going to make a typical Southeast Asian dessert, sweet potato in coconut milk. It's commonly served after a meal, but it can also be enjoyed as a snack at any time of the day. Let's look at the ingredients you will need to make this simple dessert. Sweet potatoes, caster sugar, cornstarch, pinch of salt, black and white sesame seeds, cinnamon powder, and some coconut milk. Wash the potatoes first before putting them to steam for about 20 to 25 minutes. You mustn't overcook them. In the meantime, toast the sesame seeds on low fire for about just over 1 minute, then set aside. Now combine together the coconut milk, sugar, and the salt. Mix it very well and also set it aside. After 20 minutes, to check if the potatoes are done, simply insert a skewer onto one of the biggest ones. If it goes through easily, then they are ready. Otherwise, steam them until they are cooked. Once they're done, remove them from the steamer and let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes, or until they're not hot to touch, so that you can easily remove the skin. Then cut them into big chunks. You can now bring to a boil the coconut mixture. Then add the potatoes, stir gently, and let it cook on low fire for about 5 minutes. Now add the cornstarch and mix it gently for about 30 seconds. Then add the cinnamon powder and let it cook for a further 30 seconds. It's now done and ready to be served. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top of it. Enjoy it best warm or with some ice during hot weather. Have a nice day and happy cooking!